welcome to Tiger-Vac, the name to vacuum with. In this video, I will show you how to access the contents from the recovery tank and also the main filter and the Hepa filter. This vacuum is a very popular model within a firing range environment for vacuuming up unspent gunpowders and lead. If your vacuum has already been exposed to being inside of a firing range, it's contaminated with carcinogens. So make sure you're properly gowned with the personal protection equipment. Start by turning the powder off with the vacuum cleaner. Use the manual filter shaker to knock off any residual powders from the main filter. Lift the handle of the recovery tank. It will drop down, slide it back towards you. You may be using a conductive polyliner. If you are, remove it. Pull the drawstring, untie the tie wrap, and keep the retainer plate. Dispose of it according to the proper state and bylaws. If you are going to use another liner, then make sure you put it back into the retainer plate as well. Insert it back into the recovery tank. Pat it down to remove the excess air. Now we're going to put it back into its position. We are now going to access the main filter and Hepa filter. Let's start by disconnecting the connecting hose of the front mounted floor tool from the vacuum inlet. There are 3 latches onto the filter chamber. Just unlatch all 3 of them. Now lift the handle. Pull it back towards you. This is your Hepa filter. The Hepa filter has an efficiency rating of 99.995 on 0.3 micron. This is not a washable filter. Make sure there aren't any damages nor any overaccumulations of residual powders. The longevity in a shooting range is a couple of years. This is your main filter. The main filter is washable. If you want to rinse it under running water, you can leave it exactly as shown right now with the metal mechanism. If you do want to use a washing machine instead, then undo the clamp, undo the laces, remove the metal mechanism, and this is what the filter by itself would look like. So at this stage, you can put it in a washing machine with some mild detergent. Before you put it back into its position, make sure that the filter is completely dry. We install back the Hepa filter, and now we're going to reinsert it back into its original position. Make sure the 2 pins of the handle are reinserted back into the bracket. Drop down the handle. It will raise the filter chamber. Put the latches back on.